Hello, welcome to the field. I'm Simon. Here we are. It is early March 2024 and I haven't made videos for a long time. Mostly because I haven't been doing much stuff that's been fun and I haven't felt like it. Anyway, you've seen me build panels like this before, so I didn't film that. And then I'm putting a roof on this thing now. I didn't film that because it's my first time yesterday, my first time down the field for a while, and I made loads of mistakes that I've had to fix this morning. Anyway, this is going to be a lean-to kitchen. Very exciting. It means I can remove a lot of stuff from the little shed, and that can become a bedroom and a rainy day place. And I can have the kitchen stuff out here. There will be a sink, and there will be storage, and yeah, you know, a little outdoor kitchen. Lovely. But I need a roof, so I'm improvising that, and you can watch how it goes. Yeah, the mistakes I made were with measuring and not measuring, and yeah, getting it wrong. So I've had to redo these. And let's see if I can, let's see if I can work that out. Come with me, won't you, on a roofing adventure. don't need to watch me sanding. So I've opted for the cheap but time expensive way of doing this. Notice the thickness of this surface. Your typical kitchen surface is 2 or 3 times that, which means underneath I've had to put lots of battens in to keep it straight and strengthen it. I've also got these knots. Now, a knot is where a branch joined the main trunk of the tree, and the knot and the surrounding wood dry out at different speeds, which means that the knot will tend to fall out. So what you need to do is apply knotting, or spend more money on wood that doesn't have many knots. What knotting does is it seals it and keeps it all as one piece, whereas over the years these knots, God, look at all these ones here, they'll all fall out, leaving holes. So I'm going to put knotting on. I'm going to sand this down, put knotting on, and I'll get some varnish, because that will help make this seal the wood and make it a hygienic and pleasant and smooth surface on which to prepare food. So that's the plan. Many layers of varnish, I would think. Yeah. So I'm pottering around with this today. If I get round to it, I shall also put a support on this middle bit, just to stabilise the whole thing. So yeah, that is the plan. This is easy because I've already installed this stuff. It's just putting back the same things. Pretty much the same holes. Hey, here we are down at the field, and yeah, spring has sprung. The grass is riz. I wonder where the birdies is. Why, the birds is on the wing. Don't be silly. The wings is on the bird. Yeah, bluebells are up. It's lovely down here. The daffodils have gone. And I'm working on my lean-to kitchen. This is going to be a shelf for water. It is being varnished. Got the desk counter, got the sink installed. You can probably tell it's from a secondary school art department. Recycled, jolly good. I've got this good shelf up. That is going to be supporting. This is all varnished because it's outside, and I'm going to put backsplashes in. We've got some storage under here. You know, it's just yeah, pottering. So this is a joy. Sun's shining. Birds are singing. Bluebells are up. It's lovely. We'll talk later. So look, you out there in internet land, you be good to yourself and then go and be nice to someone else. All right. Take care now. See ya.